So now we're going to talk about some of the methods that you can use to share information. There's actually a very broad range of methods, and this module is only able to cover an overview. We are not going to go into the specifics of every single kind of method, although we are going to talk about some examples for some of the more commonly used methods and also some of the sort of fast-growing methods. But the methods for sharing information have been changing over time and have always included things like email or documents or messages, right, from one team to another, perhaps through an encrypted channel or protected by some kind of technology. But some other examples beyond sort of person-to-person communication also include some reports. So there are various vendors and other organizations such as nonprofits that monitor traffic on the internet or operate infrastructure on the internet, and they'll write a report about the trend in activity that they see, including attack activity, incident activity. There's also reports on various campaigns. Companies may be tracking a variety of threat actors, and they might end up writing a report on a variety of the different targets that that group has hit. You may see some summaries of specific incidents that are particularly high profile. Sometimes those reports will also contain a lot of technical information which can be used to determine if that type of incident has happened at your organization or at the organization of your constituency. And sometimes there's just lists of what are sort of malicious activity or sort of known groups, known websites, known file names, known email addresses that are abusing what is the essentially open nature of internet communication. So if you have a particular IP address, you may just find a list of IPs that are known to serve malicious files. There's also a lot of work underway, and we'll talk about this a little later, to develop semantically rich formats for these lists so that you don't just get a list of IP addresses, but